24 phone use rules for couples. Number 1. Don't make a habit of putting your phone on silent mode or turning it off each time you're with your partner. Honestly, it makes you look like you are hiding something. Number 2. Save your partner's phone number using a special title like hubby, love, wife, or sweetie. Or, save it using a title plus the official name. Using the official name only makes your partner look like just the other contacts on your phone. Number 3. Answer your partner's phone call with loving, affectionate words like, "Hi love" or "Hey honey." How a conversation starts really determines how it flows. If you start warm, you two will enjoy talking with each other on the phone. Alright, so end the talk on a high. Say "I love you," or maybe share a joke, give a compliment, or just a warm phrase before you hang up. And, hey, hang up with a smile. It is totally okay to chat with friends online. But just remember, never chat with another person more than you chat with your partner. If you know you'll be busy, notify your partner that you won't be able to pick up calls or reply to texts promptly. Let them know what you'll be doing and, approximately for how long. This really prepares your partner and brings peace, because your partner won't feel ignored. So, flirting on the phone is totally fine, but honestly, you should only flirt with your partner. If someone tries to flirt with you or entice you and charm you on the phone, you really need to tell them off. Just let them know that you are taken. Make sure to take lots of photos and videos together to capture those special moments. Trust me, you'll want those pics and videos in the future when you look back. So, when you go out on dates, just keep the phone away, Try to minimize phone use so that you can really focus on each other. Don't make a habit of walking away from your partner to answer phone calls. Your partner might start to think you're hiding something or even having an affair. Love is, honestly, all about perception. After the date, if you don't live together, hey man, call her up and check on her, let her know you got home safe. And lady, just send him a text, thanking him for a wonderful time. Unless it's an emergency, when you can't reach your partner and you probably know he or she is at work or doing something, don't keep calling and texting desperately. You'll only look like a nag to your partner, and honestly, that could make your partner start to detest phone contact with you. Just relax. Your partner will see your missed call and text. When you see a missed call or text from your partner, please just call back or reply as soon as you can. It really helps put your partner at ease. Save your partner's phone number as an emergency number, so they can be contacted in case something happens to you and your phone is locked. So, avoid fights and arguments over the phone, because honestly they're just really difficult to manage and usually leave a bad feeling when you hang up. That can, negatively affect how you two relate. It's better to talk about serious issues that are volatile face to face. When your partner offends you or you two aggravate each other, never refuse to pick up your partner's phone call. That only makes matters worse, honestly. Keep the line of communication open so that you can work things out. And if you can't talk at the moment because you're hurting, just pick up the call and say, "I can't talk right now," and your partner will understand. Inform your partner when and why you need to turn off your phone when you two are apart. It really helps keep your partner from worrying. When you two are having fun together, it is good to celebrate your love online, but, don't post too much about your love life. Some things are best kept private. The world doesn't have to know every detail of how you love each other. When you two are having problems, don't vent about your partner directly or indirectly on your social media posts. Don't let your partner get news about you from social media like your online friends. Tell the news to your partner first, and then post online. So, if your partner tries calling you but your line is engaged, just go ahead and explain who you were talking to. And, if someone calls you when you're with your partner, say who it was. Transparency and clarity really do enhance trust. Remember, it's both your role to communicate. Neither of you should feel like you're forcing a conversation or doing all the talking. Communication honestly takes two. Put away the phone when your partner needs your undivided attention, especially in the bedroom. Seriously, don't be intimate holding your phone more than you hold your partner. Phone use can affect your relationship or marriage negatively or positively. Be smart as you use your smartphone. And, hey, remember, love is natural.